Hold on to your handlebars. This isn't your average jump. Picture this. You're flying down the trail, eyes locked on a massive tabletop up ahead. The trick? Timing and control. As you approach, you preload your suspension. Then, bam! You hit the lip and throw the bike sideways. That's the scrub, keeping it low and fast, slicing through the air with style. Your bars are turned, wheels almost parallel to the ground, just inches above the table. This move isn't just for looks. It shaves precious seconds and keeps your momentum rolling. Now here's where it gets wild. As you clear the tabletop, you snap the bike upright and launch off the backside, catching big air for a massive jump. You're weightless, adrenaline pumping, and then mid-air whip for the grand finale. It's skill, precision, and pure MTB stoke rolled into one epic combo. Think you've got what it takes to nail the tabletop scrub launch?